Don't run, don't breathe. I rewrite everything you are.
I rise slow from the smoke, cloak soaked in lunar grease. 10 feet tall, jaw cracked, breath colder than winter's teeth. When I creep, pavement buckle, streetlights flick, voltage leak. You feel dread sink deep in your bones when the shadows speak. I ain't walk, I hover, my silhouette smothers whole blocks. I hear your heartbeat pop like locks in a rusted box. You pray to God, that's cute, I'm older than your priesthood's books. I watched emperors burn empires down with a single look. I don't hunt for blood, I hunt for identity shift. I bite your neck, twist flesh, then your whole heritage flips. Your speech flick quick, more slick in the tones and keys. Your old self leave your body like a ghost in the breeze. Your stance change, hands lacing ancient forms instinctively. You start moving with grace like you studied martial simplicity. Your dreams brim with dragons swimming in ink streams. Your past rewinds, rebinds, redesigns in the queenly. Yeah, I turn people Chinese, ain't no myth, no trick. I spit curses thick as fog, let the moonlight stitch. You ain't dying, you transform my identity seas. When the fangs hit flesh, boy, your whole soul flips Chinese. I turn crowds Chinese, whole town Chinese. One scratch, one whisper, you fall to your knees. I stalk rooftops, silent like a storm unleashed. I'm the 10-foot vampire culture spreading disease. I drift through tunnels with hunger like spinning hurricanes. Skin stained jade green, veins glow like serpentine chains. I spit phrases razor sharp, carve marks in your membrane. Words laced with ancient pain, hurled from a dragon brain. When I hiss, temples crumble, foundations collapse. When I grin, ink flood visions, brush strokes overlap. You don't see death, you see lanterns float in your skull. See temples in the fog where your bloodstream dulls. Your eyes shift shape, the pupil widen like palace gates. Your voice resonate like a zither string in altered states. I invade every thought, remake what your mind perceives. Your whole aura dyed red like autumn maple leaves. Crowds run when I come, my shadow long like pagoda spires. I speak in broken whispers that ignite internal fires. You choke on smoke, my curse cloak tightens your jeans. Twist fate, dictate who you are, rewire your means. I turn people Chinese, ain't no cure, no plea. You can hide, you can pray, but you still meet me. One bite, one mark, and the convert bleeds. A new tongue, new face, new history succeeds. Whole blocks Chinese, whole nights Chinese. I'm the demon in silk that the legends foreseen. You ain't safe from the curse is spread with these 10-foot terror my dynasty feeds. I hop rooftops, chop moonbeams, stop heartbeats with a glance. Watch your posture lock proper in the cultural trance. Your lineage switch quick click like weapon advance. Your DNA enhanced, stance balance like sacred dance. I conjure thunderclap strikes inside your bloodstream. Fill your head with visions of empresses and jade queens. You scream then breathe, and everything you used to be gets swept in the river like ashes on king streams. Claws drip history, century stitched in my grip. Every victim I flip, join the lineage I equip. You ain't human no more, you reborn polished and clean. I don't murder, I convert, shift, purge, intervene. Your slang replaced, your craving swapped, your habits reset. You crave noodles, speak riddles, write scripts with silhouette. The change ain't paint, it's fate, I engrave it with these. I whisper chaos in your mouth until the words turn Chinese. I own people Chinese with a bite or a breeze. Turn sinners into scholars, turn cowards to elites. Whole streets Chinese, whole scenes Chinese. I reshape the world with supernatural degrees. When you feel your voice crack, when your thoughts misalign, when the moon tilts sideways and your memories resign. Don't fight, don't beg, don't cry or freeze. Just bow to the vampire king who turns humans Chinese.